Hello everybody, let's try and create the 7th exercise of our series of Python for exercise. In the 7th exercise, let's copy the text first and paste it here. I'll tell you again, please pause the video after reading the exercise and try to solve it by yourself, and after solving that, go and see the tutorial to better understand it. And never use AI for solving algorithm problems, because that make you some kind of, how I tell it, that it make you easy to defeat, it make you weak. Because of that, just try to do some of them by yourself, and after that just use the AI as much as you want. Okay, the nested loop. Multiplication table. Write a Python program that prints the multiplication table 1 to 10. Okay, let's write it. For x in range 10, for x in range 10. It's really easy. It just need to combine two fours. 10. Let me say it y. Print x, and here let me put it here, and here y, and let me put it here, and this is, and here x y. Then run it, and for making it more beautiful and understandable, just it's not a need of the question, but for making it more beautiful, just write it here, print the x the x number table. You see, the code that the question wants is created as easily as possible. We just combine two fours by each other. I just kind of want to give you a more detail about what I'm doing. For example, let's see, we run a for from in range 10 and for x in range 10. And then we run it. As you maybe guess, it's going to run 10 times our for. Am I right? It's going to run 10 times. But when you create another for y in range 10 and combine them, your for is going to run for 10 plus 10 times. Your for is going to run for 100 times. And we use that thing for creating this table. Okay, this is the end of this exercise. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and ask me if you have any question in the comment. I will be there and answer you immediately. Until tomorrow and the next lesson, have a good